Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today I am going to show you a video log that I've been making for the past 3 days. And so what it is I've been dieting for the last 3 days. It's a 3-day military diet that you're supposed to lose up to 10 pounds on. And so you saw the thumbnail picture. I did lose some weight. That's not 10 pounds worth though. That's only 3 pounds worth of loss. But the reason I think that I only lost 3 pounds on it is because I didn't exercise. I purposely didn't exercise because I wanted to see what the results would be with me doing the diet, following it to a T like I did, but without exercising. Because I know there's a lot of us out there that don't like to exercise, even though we need to do it. And so I only lost 3 pounds, but hey, you saw the thumbnail picture. My tummy looks better. I feel better. My bones, my joints feel better. I don't feel as much inflammation as I have been in the past. But I'm going to do it again starting Monday. So I'll do it again next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But this time I'm going to combine it with exercise, either Pilates or walking or floor exercises or just dancing for an hour or so, which is how I've always stayed in shape most of my life. Everyone's always, when I was younger, I was already in my 30s and 40s. They're like, how do you stay so thin? Well, I've always been like 100 pounds. And when I was a teenager, I was like 90 pounds. But the way I always stayed thin was I would just crank the stereo up and I would just dance for like an hour, just, you know, just over and over and over to every song that would come on. I would just dance like as if you're in a nightclub. A lot of people go dancing for over an hour, so that's what I would do for an hour. I would just turn the radio on and dance to all the songs that would come on. And so that's how I've stayed thin all my life, because I do not like to exercise. So to me that didn't feel like exercise. So that's been kind of my secret. People have always said, how do you stay so thin? And I used to eat anything and everything, so that's the only thing I can attribute it to, that and my genes, of course. I have good genes. My whole family was always pretty thin and they all look young for their age and everything, so I think genetics has a lot to do with it too. But now that I'm 52, I'm starting to get the flabs and the double chin and stuff. So yeah, I've been trying to figure out how to lose these 10 or 15 pounds that I need to lose. And so I came across this 3-day diet from a YouTuber's channel and I thought, hey, I'm gonna give it a try. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much about the diet because you'll see the vlog. I vlogged everything. The only thing I forgot to do is I think on the 2nd day I forgot to take a picture of the lunch, but I showed it in the video, in the vlog anyway. But I'll just tell you a teeny bit about it. It's supposed to basically reboot your metabolism, get it back to where it used to be. And so somehow all these foods combined, you'll read about it in the article, I'll post it down in the description box. Somehow combined, it all helps to boost your metabolism again. But basically you follow the diet to a T for 3 days, and then after those 3 days you eat normally for 4 days. I'm trying to maintain the 3-pound loss that I just got in these past 3 days, so I don't want to overdo it and just start gorging on food and gain back those 3 pounds. So I'm gonna limit myself, drink lots of water, and see if I can maintain this 3-pound loss until Monday, when I do the 3-day diet again. And like I said, I'll combine it with exercise this time. But that's basically it. You can do that up to 4 times. So you're supposed to be able to lose up to 40 pounds if you do that. But like I said, I only lost 3 on this first 3-day diet. I didn't lose the 10 pounds, but that's okay. 3 pounds is 3 pounds less, right? So yeah, I'm gonna do it a couple more times to get down to the weight that I want. I want to lose about 10 or 15 pounds. So maybe I'll do it 4 times this month and see if I can get down to that weight combine it with exercise this time though. Alrighty, so I'm gonna post the link down below. Read the whole article. It tells you exactly what to eat. Follow it to a T. Even if you don't like it, there will be some substitutions down on the bottom of the article that you can substitute some of these foods with. Alrighty guys, I will stop babbling now. It's been almost 6 minutes of babbling. I'll just let you watch the vlog, and please excuse how I looked half those mornings and I looked awful, but hey, that was me in the morning. Alrighty guys, I will see you in a little bit at the end of the video. Enjoy! Okay, so this is morning 1 of my day 3 military diet, and this is what I'm eating. I've already had the black coffee, which it's my first time ever having black coffee. I do not like black coffee. So it said you could have Splenda in your black coffee. I don't have Splenda, so I used Sweet and Low. And so now I'm gonna have breakfast, and for breakfast, it wants you to have half of a grapefruit and whole wheat toast and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So that's what I'm doing, and I put 1 tablespoon on the actual bread, but as you can see, that's a lot for 1 piece of bread. So the other tablespoon I'll just kind of eat like this. So okay, this is just breakfast, and then I've got a specific menu for lunch and a specific one for dinner, and then for the next 2 days the same thing. And so I weighed myself this morning. I was 128, and it says not to weigh yourself again until the 4th morning, because they want you to go through all your 3 days of diet, and then weigh yourself in the morning of that 4th day. But anyway, just wanted to show you what my first day's breakfast looks like. So yeah, all right, I will talk to y'all later. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Okay, so it's lunchtime now, and so I'm supposed to have a slice of toast and some tuna, a cup of tuna, and a cup of coffee or tea. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and toast my bread, and I will drain the tuna, and I'll put it on a plate, and I'll decide if I'm having tea or coffee here in a minute. So anyway, just wanted to make this lunch vlog for you. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so my toast is done. I'm gonna go ahead and get it out of the toaster, and I drained the tuna. So I think I'm going to just put it on the toast here and eat it like that, because I usually like tuna with mayonnaise, of course. But let's see if this makes it more bearable to actually put it on the toast. With mayonnaise, I'd have no problem. Okay, so here we go. And I think I'll just put some right here on the plate and just eat it with a fork. All right, so there's that. And I think I'm going to make some tea. So yeah, that's my lunch. I will take a picture of it here in a minute. But these are parts of my body that I'm hoping to have reduced. Are my arms have gotten really big, my tummy's gotten big. So I'm hoping to reduce a little bit there. Got a double chin, my face isn't as thin as it used to look, so I'm hoping this helps. So I will take a picture now of the food so you can see it close up, and I'm gonna make my tea too. All right. Okay, so it is like 6:30 or so. My husband just got home from work, and so we're gonna have dinner. And so he's also doing the 3-day military diet with me. So for dinner, we're supposed to have 3 ounces of meat, any meat. So we've got like a chuck tenderloin steak or something, just some small steak. I'll show you in a minute. And we're supposed to have green beans, a half a banana, cup of vanilla ice cream, and an apple, and probably water. I was supposed to have 6 glasses of water today, and I only had 1 because what I did have just had me going to the restroom all day already with the tea and the coffee, so I didn't want to keep drinking water. But I haven't had anything to drink in a couple hours, so I'll probably drink a few glasses of water. But anyway, so yeah, and it says not to save any of the food for a snack later. Like I know that someone that I watched on YouTube, she saved the ice cream and the apple for later, and you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to have it all at the same time, because it's trying to it's trying to reboot your metabolism, so it wants you to have all the food at once. So today's whole diet was supposed to be like 1,200 calories. Tomorrow it's down to 1,000 calories, and then the 3rd day it's down to 800 calories. So I'll keep you posted. I'll keep vlogging all 3 days to show you what we are eating. So here's the meat we are having right there. You're supposed to only use salt and pepper as seasoning. So this is the one for my husband and I. And I used extra seasoning for my daughter because she's not doing the 3-day thing, so she'll have a couple meals. And there's the green beans that I'm going to go ahead and steam. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get dinner going. I will post a picture after I cook everything. All right, bye. So I just got done cooking the steaks and stuff. My husband and I are doing the 3-minute military diet. There's my husband. Yeah, what did I say, 3-minute? 3 days. 3 minutes diet? My daughter's like, 3 minutes?
It's such little food, it only takes 3 minutes to eat it.
I've had such little food today, I can't even think straight now. So anyway, we're both doing the 3-day military diet. And so here's the food that I cooked. So we're supposed to have a 3-ounce meat. So we have a steak, we have some green beans, we have a half a banana, we have an apple, and we have a cup of ice cream. So yeah, that's what we're having. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. Good morning. So it's morning of day 2 and I'm waiting for my coffee to brew. And for breakfast, I'm supposed to have a cup of black coffee or tea, a slice of toast, and 1 egg in any style that I want. So I scrambled my egg, and a half a banana, and that's my breakfast. So as soon as my coffee's done, we'll walk over there and I'll show you my breakfast. Yay, I've been waiting. See, normally I don't have breakfast. Normally I just have coffee, and then around 11:30 I'll eat something. But maybe that's why I've gained weight, because my metabolism's off whack. It wants me to eat 3 meals a day, and I don't always do that. So yeah, I've gained like 15, 20 pounds in 2 years. Because when I got down here to Texas, I was only 110, and I think I said I was 128 yesterday. So. All right, coffee's done. Yay, finally. Piping hot coffee. So I'm having that dry piece of toast, scrambled eggs, and a half a banana. I'll take a picture of it, and yeah, so that I can have it for my vlog. Alrighty guys, so I will see you guys at lunchtime for day 2. It's lunchtime. Sorry I look so bad. I haven't put makeup on. I've been editing a glam video for my Glam It Up with Glama channel. Neutral, everyday makeup look. But for lunch today, this is a weird lunch. It doesn't even say I can have coffee or tea or anything. So I guess I'll just have water, because they want you to have 6 glasses of water. So I am supposed to have 5 saltine crackers and a cup of cottage cheese. And I don't like cottage cheese. Never have. Uh-oh, something just popped up on there. So there's my lunch. Pretty disgusting in my opinion. This is the only thing that I've been regretting of this military diet, is this cottage cheese lunch. So anyway, I'm gonna eat it like a big girl, and I will see y'all for dinner. Okay, so dinner consists of water and 2 hot dogs, a half a banana, cup of broccoli, and a half a cup of carrots. So this is what I put together for us. There's Adam's, and here's mine. So yeah, I'll take a picture now. Oh, and also a half a cup of ice cream. Yesterday we got a whole cup of ice cream. Today we get half a cup of ice cream. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture now. Good morning. So this is day 3 morning, and so for breakfast I'm supposed to have black coffee or tea, a small apple, 5 saltine crackers, and a slice of cheddar cheese. So this is what I'm having. I know that sounds weird for breakfast, right? Saltine crackers and cheese. Sounds more like a snack or lunch, but here's what I'm eating. There's my crackers, my apple, and I figure 2 of these little slices equal to a regular slice, and there's my black coffee. All right, so I'll take a picture, and yeah. All right, so 2 more meals to this diet. I've got lunch and dinner still. Alrighty, I'll let you know. Today's Wednesday. I'll let you know tomorrow if I lost any weight. Alright. I kind of think I have, because just looking down at my body, I can see differences in my legs. My legs look thinner. My tummy doesn't feel as poofy. So I'll let you know tomorrow. Alright. Okay, so it's lunchtime. It's actually past lunchtime. It's probably like 1 or 2 o'clock. And so for lunch, I'm supposed to have a glass of water, a boiled egg, and a piece of toast. So here it is. That's my boring lunch. But hey, I'm not that hungry. So yeah, today's the last day. We got dinner, and then tomorrow I get to weigh myself to see if I've lost anything. I think I've lost at least a couple pounds. All right, I'll take a picture and then I'll see you at dinner time. Okay, so it's dinner time. This is the 3rd day, third dinner. And so yeah, this is the end of the military diet. And this is what we're having. We're having a cup of broccoli, half a banana, a cup of tuna, half a cup of vanilla ice cream, and water. So that's it. Tomorrow I weigh myself and I find out if I've lost a couple pounds. Supposed to lose up to 10 pounds, but I've got a feeling I've only lost a few. But I did something on purpose. I kind of was testing something out. I did this military diet with no exercising because I wanted to see what I would lose by just following the diet with no exercising. And then I'm going to eat normal for 4 days now, starting tomorrow. But when I do the military diet after the 4 days, I'm going to do the military diet with either Pilates or walking or something. I want to test the theory out to see how much you lose if you exercise versus if you don't exercise. So maybe that's how you lose up to 10 pounds, is by also exercising. And I hate to exercise, so I wanted to see how much I lose this way. Hopefully I've lost something. All right, you guys, I'll see you tomorrow. So yay, the diet is over. I hope you enjoyed that video, the vlogging and my goofiness and stuff. So yeah, go ahead and give it a try, and if you do give it a try, let me know down in the comments after you're done with your 3 days. Let me know if it worked for you and how much you lost, and whether you combined it with exercising or you didn't combine it with exercising. Let me know what your results are if you try it. And you can even post pictures on my Glam It Up with Glama Facebook. Go find me on there, and yeah, join me over there and send me pictures and stuff. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone else that you come in contact with. Because by doing that, we can do away with bullying. If we just show everyone love and kindness in our parts of the world, and everyone eventually does it, this world will be a better place. Alrighty guys, I love you. Mwah.